we identified the next two big weak currencies are as follows: the Japanese yen, so this is the weakest. I'm going to pair it against the other currencies. So I'm looking at the CAD yen, I'm looking at the Swiss yen, and I'm looking at the Aussie yen, the pound yen, and so basically until we finish we're going to take the yen pairs and then we'll wrap it up. Okay? So the first currency we're going to look at, in this case I'm taking the second, I'm looking at the strong currencies versus the yen, and that would be the CAD yen and the Swiss yen. And just by doing this strength or weakness, you can begin to see from the daily chart that actually the CAD yen is beginning to push higher. It's above. We have a structure point at 77.60 and another structure point at 77.25, and we are now trading at 77.90. So this makes our trade quite easy. We're wanting to buy because our bias is to the upside. So selling it, we're not going to sell unless it trades below the structure point. So our selling point to the downside is going to be 77.60. It doesn't require any more effort than this. Your structure short point is the 77.60 and your stop is the 77.60 because it's a structure point. So if until it gets below 77.60, you're not looking at selling it. The bias is to the upside, so we're going to identify a place where we can buy it. If you look at the chart, you are in a bona fide trend, making higher lows and higher highs and higher lows, pulling back to your structure. You don't have anything that says you have a structural failure or any indication of a sell. So we're buying it above the high of the day, which is the 78. This will be your buying point above the 78.66, and our stop is going to be below the market side, which happens to be also another daily high. So this is quite a good stop because you have many pieces of the chart lining up. It is the daily high, it is also the market side, so everything is lining up nicely. So that is going to be our stop for the long position, and the structure point, we want to take it from the daily chart. The structure point is the 79.63, which is another about 200 pips away. So we are going to buy above the high, which is 78.66. If we do, we have a structural long point at 79.63, and our stop is going to be 78.25, which is right here below the market side. So for the CAD yen, we're going to buy above 78.66. If I do, I have a structural long point which is at least 100 pips away, and my stop is going to be 78.25. On the short side, we're going to go short below the 77.60, which is our structural point. It's going to be our short entry and our stop. Okay? That is the CAD yen. Right there.